What's good, YouTube fam? Thank you for tuning in for another video. Today we're gonna do something different. We're not gonna be doing any car related things. Today we are just moving around the sneaker room. We got a lot of changes coming to it and I'm gonna be documenting it as we do it. But the big thing today is we're gonna wrap this wall behind me. We're gonna wrap it in this nice Bape material. I'll put a link below where I got it. Awesome guys to send me this wrap, by the way. So we're gonna be moving this whole sneaker wall, I believe, to that side. We're gonna do a lot of other things. I mean, you guys are gonna see the video, but as of right now, like I said, this video today is for the Bape wall. Let's get a before. This is what we're looking like. I moved some stuff out already, obviously, and yeah, we're gonna scuff this wall up and get it all ready. So the first piece is done, all set in the middle. It's looking good, it's nice and flush. No bubbles. This right here, it's a camo print, so you could overlay it. So we're gonna have to put another piece, cut out that top, and then overlay it almost up to like here on the next one. Plus it kind of shrinks too over time because this is made for cars, not for a wall. Thanks to our buddies over at Easy Auto Wrap to sponsor the wrap. This is what we're using. If you do plan on doing it yourself, if you have any like imperfections, I mean, now keep in mind this is for the camo. Like as you see right here, it's super like my cut is not straight, but it is a camo, so we could just put something over top, and the camo is gonna overlap, and you won't see a seam. Well, if you look close enough, you will, but from like literally a foot away, you won't see a seam. So the Bape wall is completed after a couple, I mean, it wasn't that bad. I think it was like 2-3 hours. I mean, it's not that bad. Looks really good. The camo is nice on the wall because you can't see seams. Like there's one right here. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I'll get close on it. A little seam right here. Did this for like picture reasons, and I mean, I just like Bape. I've always been a Bape head since a kid. But I'm gonna put a external closet, they call it, on the outside here. It's gonna have some poles running down, so I could keep some of my nicer clothes and stuff like that on there. All right, so there we go. Got a nice, looks nice against the gray too. I like it. All right, now it's time to put this external closet up. I think I'm gonna give it a day before I actually like put it on, because I did that spray adhesive, because this is actually like a car vinyl. So I had put one up before and it was starting to peel on the edges, so now we kind of like use a spray adhesive on it, as well as like heating it up. You need to heat it up, so it shouldn't fall, but I'm gonna give it a day for that adhesive to like cure, and then go and put that wall up. So I'm gonna go grab one today, build it, and then put it on the wall. I used to have one in my old house, so I think that's gonna look really good against the wall. I'm gonna lose some space because it comes off the wall. It's just a computer room and sneaker room, so my computer's back there. But I think I'm gonna move it around. I think I'm gonna put this on that wall and stuff. I got a lot of plans for this room. Got a the IKEA Virgil collab too. It's somewhere around here. But yeah, so the wall's done. Let's get into the external closet.
What up, guys? So day 2. Yeah, the Bape wall looks awesome. I'm stoked about it. I let it sit for a day. And like I said before, I went out to Lowe's and I got this, I think it's called Allen and Roth or something like that. I don't know if the proper name is an external closet, but I always call it an external closet. So we're gonna put that up now because I think just the Bape wall is kind of too short for a video. Once I get done with that, we'll get some pieces up there. There's like 2 kind of bars that are gonna go across it. I can like hang clothes up. I put like some of my nicer clothes, obviously all of like, you know, my streetwear and stuff like that, some box logos. Once quick, the Bape wall, it's looking fire. I might do some shelving over there. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. All in all, the wall looks really good. It was super simple, so if you guys decide to do it, hit up Easy Auto Wraps. They helped me get the wrap. Yeah, I guess let's jump into a time lapse of me putting up the wall, and then let's fill the wall and see how it looks.
Oh, how nice. They gave us a little template. It's gonna be hard with one person. Here, make yourself useful. So you're just going, okay. All right, finished product. She's up there, just gotta put the shelves in there. Now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but this line right here looks insanely crooked. Put a level on it, like 10 different levels, 10 different times, because I was literally staring at this thing for like hours. Literally, it's dark out right now. It is straight. So I guess because the camo on it is not exactly straight. I don't know if you could see it on the video, because I FaceTimed my buddy, and I was like, yo, does this look crooked? And he said, no, it looks completely fine. But I think it looks crazy if you were standing here in person. Yeah, I'm gonna put the shelves in here, then we're gonna start loading it up, and then move the sneaker wall to this side, get a desk over there, and all that good stuff. So I guess we'll time lapse that tomorrow because I'm too tired.
What's up, guys? So thank you for watching the video on doing the Bape wall and just rearranging the sneaker room. I do want to give a huge shout out to Easy Auto Wrap for making this video possible. They sponsored the vinyl for the Bape wall. Here's their website. I'm also going to link them in the description below. Awesome, guys. They do obviously like a lot of car wraps and stuff like that, which kind of helps because this channel is based on, you know, cars and as well as you know, some Hypebeast material. I'm definitely going to be using them for future plans with cars. But all in all, great quality stuff. It looks good. And as far as like future plans go with the room, obviously I'm far from done. I just kind of did one side. I want to put I want to get a different desk here. I think I'm gonna put like a vanity in the corner for my girlfriend over there. I don't know what I want to do with the sneaker wall. I mean, I love it how it is now, but it is full, and obviously I'm gonna keep buying, so it's kind of hard to switch out and stuff. It looks good for like displays, how it sits. But I mean, it's limited to 25, 30 sneakers. But I'm gonna be doing some purchases on some art pieces, like a couple Claws figures, a couple Bear bricks, but I just never had nowhere to put them because I love them. I think they're awesome, and I think they're, when displayed right, it looks really good. So I think I'm gonna get some up top there, as well as some more shelving in the corner, just to add onto the into the room, and then a couple other little changes. But as you guys will see in this series, this is episode 1, and we'll continue making this series for you guys on what I'm gonna do for as far as like room upgrades. And I think I might throw in some pickups in this series as well, like my new pickups, my personal collection, basically anything like Hypebeast related in this playlist or series, as opposed to my car stuff. So if you guys are watching this for hype reasons, go check out the channel. Let me know what you guys think, and as always, subscribe and hit that bell.